Hey beautiful people, it's Rickita. I'm back with another video. So in this video, I want to talk to you guys about the different type of credit card reward programs. So there are so many different type of credit cards out there, so many different type of rewards programs, so many different types of ways how you can get money back from having, these different credit cards. And a lot of times I always talk about just how to fix your credit, how to build your credit. And a lot of people don't understand that um there's so many different options out there. They just think, oh, I just need to get a credit card with a low annual fee. They're just thinking about like the Aspire credit card. They're thinking about Credit One, different credit cards like that. That have these annual fees. They're not thinking about those credit cards like Discover, Chase, Navy Federal, these different credit cards that's actually going to give you rewards and cash back where you can actually make a lot of money from just using your credit card. So I want to talk to you guys about those different credit cards and how to even level up to these different credit cards. So if this is your first time watching my videos, make sure you guys like this video, make sure you guys subscribe. I really want to hit 100,000, 100K. Please help me with this process. And if you guys have any questions, go ahead and drop it down below. So again, there's different type of rewards out there. I took some time to build out my blog, and I have a lot of these credit cards on my website. So on my website, Rickita.com, you can schedule a call, look at any events I have, home buying application, you can complete that, home tours. I put together some dispute letter packages. It's like 6 letters in these packages, 4 for the bankruptcy, and it's only $27. That's to remove those accounts because a lot of people just have negative accounts, and I just feel as if you guys need to just start removing those accounts. And also have my membership. We're meeting up on Friday, so definitely make sure you guys sign up for that membership. We're going to meet up, and I'm sending out letters for anybody that's part of my membership for free. Now we're talking about rewards, and we're also talking about cash back. So let's go to the best credit cards for rewards so we can see like the different type of rewards that's out there, because a lot of different credit cards, they offer rewards, but it's only for those people that have like a better credit score. So for example, we have the Discover It Cash Back credit card. Now Discover It Cash Back, they do offer 5% cash back in rotating categories. They'll tell you what the category is depending on like what time of the year it is. So I already have it up here. So let's go ahead and look at it. So you want to get 5% cash back on Amazon, grocery stores, restaurants, gas stations, and it's going to be up to $1,500 in your spend for those 3 months. So right now is we're in May, so it's between April and June 2023. So right now we're doing cash back at restaurants and wholesale stores. So you guys are going to get 1,500. You're going to get up to $1,500 back in cash back for that. Now, the reward that Discover is actually offering you is that they'll match your cash back. So whatever you get in your cash back, they're going to match that. So if you get $200 in cash back your first year of having your credit card, they're going to match that and give you another $200 and add that to your account. So that's something that I really like about the Discover. That's the rewards that they have. That's their reward program. They're going to also give you 1% back on everything that you on any other purchase that's outside of this category. Or say if you're over that $1,500 in purchases, they're going to give you that 1% cash back on all your other purchases. So that's something that you guys definitely have to think about, and that's their reward program. Now we also have the Chase Freedom Flex credit card. Now with the Chase Freedom Flex credit card, they have a totally different reward, kind of similar in terms of some categories when it comes down to Discover, but their reward is this: you guys will get a $200 bonus as long as you spend $500 on purchases within the first 3 months of opening your account with Chase. So that's what they're offering you. Plus they also have the 0% APR. If you want to count that as a reward, I think that is a reward. You're not paying interest for 15 months. You can count that as a reward for them. And then also you want to get that 5% back, 3% back on your dining and drugstores, and 1.5% back on all your other purchases. So that 5% back is going to be on your travel as long as you purchase it through the Chase Unlimited Rewards. So the Chase Ultimate Rewards, I'm sorry. As long as you do it there, you're going to get that 5% back on travel. And then also you're going to get that 5% back on your combined purchases in the bonus categories like gas stations, grocery stores, whatever you decide to spend it on. And then also your travel, you're going to get that 5% back. And it's basically the same thing as the Chase Freedom Unlimited. Only thing is you're only going to get 1% back on all your other purchases instead of 1.5% back that you're going to get on that Chase Freedom Unlimited. Now, these are just 2 credit cards. We have a lot more credit cards on here, like the Amazon Rewards Visa card. Like when I applied for my Amazon Rewards Visa, I think I got $150 back on this one. So that was a great rewards. Plus, we're going to get up to 10% cash back. That's another great thing that you're going to have with this one. The thing I like most about this, if you spend a certain amount of money on this credit card, then you can, oh no, don't do that to me. Let's see. If you spend a certain amount of money on, I don't want to look at it on this website. I guess we won't be able to look at it unless I log in, and I'm not going to log in, you guys. Let's see if they're going to show it to us. But yeah, if you spend a certain amount of money on this credit card, they'll have like the 0% APR for 12 months. So that's something I really like. Oh, they have a special offer right now up to $275 with the limited time offer with eligible Prime membership. Okay, that's really nice. So you're going to get unlimited 3% back at Amazon purchases and also 5% back on eligible Prime membership. So that is nice. And then Amazon Fresh, they have that 3% back, and Chase Travel also back at 2% back at restaurants, 2% back at gas stations. So their bonus is up to $275. That is really good. And I do find too, when you guys are looking at these credit cards, you want to look at, what other people are getting approved for. So definitely make sure you guys go to the top of my blog. On any page you'll be able to search right here. Go ahead and search any credit card that you're interested in, and I'll show you other people that possibly got approved for that credit card. Also, the Capital One Saver One rewards. This is another great one. They offer rewards, but all of these credit cards on this list, they offer rewards. It's really different for each credit card company in terms of what they're going to offer you guys. So just look and see what they're going to offer and double check that annual fee, because I like that they're going to offer you certain things like Capital One going to offer you $200 bonus as long as you spend $500 within the first 3 months of opening your account. But just make sure you don't have an annual fee if you can help it. If I cannot have an annual fee, like I'm in for the win. I love it. So make sure you guys just won't have an annual fee and you'll be doing really good with that credit card. And this is the Saver One rewards from Capital One. So you're going to earn 3% cash back on dining, entertainment, and popular streaming services and at the grocery stores. And that's going to be unlimited. And then they also have that 0% APR for 15 months. And then too, they have the courtesy Uber that you guys can check out. These are like some of the different things that they can have. Redeem your rewards with PayPal. Use your rewards at Amazon. So that's something that you guys can definitely think about. And Capital One, they do not charge foreign transaction fees. So that's like an additional reward / bonus that they're not charging you, that foreign transaction fee, because if you guys are using your credit card out of the country, then a lot of times they're going to charge you a foreign transaction fee. So that's going to just be more money that you're spending. But that's just some of the rewards out there. There's so many other credit cards that you guys can look into getting. So all you have to do is just go to my blog and just keep going down and look at some of the credit cards that's on here and look at the rewards that they offer. Usually the rewards is the bonus that they're giving you for signing up for it. Okay, that's usually the reward, and then that cash back is what I really care about. So don't get so hung up on that reward. It's nice to have a reward, but make sure you continuously get cash back from having that credit card. If not, you probably, especially if your credit score is good, you're probably not going to want to use your credit card. And that's just being real. You're probably not going to want to use your credit card. And when it comes down to rewards, it's nice to have, but think about cash back. Like for this credit card, I'm going to use this at the restaurant. My Amazon card, I'm going to use at Amazon. My Apple credit card, if I can't get the cash back that I want to get, I'm going to use my Apple Pay so that I can get the 2% back on anything I spend with my Apple Pay. So I think about it like that. Think about that as cash back too. I know people like rewards, but think about the cash back also. If you guys have any questions, please let me know. Make sure you guys subscribe also, and then go down that list and see the other credit cards that's on there that offer rewards, especially if that's something that you want. A lot of times if they offer rewards, they're going to most likely offer you some type of cash back, but just double check that in your feed, you guys, because to me that's where the trickery come in at. But I'll definitely see you guys in the next video. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Bye bye.